What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And when I started making videos, I mostly used my DSLR, which was a great setup, and I do use that from time to time, but it's anything but portable. Then I moved into a GoPro, and a GoPro worked really well, but you know, cell phone technology, more specifically iPhone and Samsung, I guess, that technology has advanced so much that now I moved to a phone. And as a result, I'm finding it challenging to mount accessories like microphones or lights or even tripods on a regular phone. So I found an accessory today that I just picked up that should really work well, and I'm going to share it with you. So when I was looking at an accessory, I actually went back to something. This is the old rig I used to use with my GoPro, a nice Rode mic on top. This was a case that I had been using for years by a company called Ulanzi, and I have to tell you, it worked really well. It held the GoPro in, it held the audio adapter for the GoPro, and it had a little cold shoe mount on top. So when I was looking for something for my phone, I went with Ulanzi again. This is the Ulanzi ST-27. It's made so that you can clamp your phone, use it on a tripod with other accessories. Okay, so let's open it up and see what you get. Well, here it is. Hold on, let me pop it out. So one of the main things that drew me to this product is that it is all metal construction. It's not plastic. I don't want something cracking. I don't want something getting old. And the Ulanzi that I have over there, I don't even know how many years I've had it. So this is the Ulanzi. It's small. It's very portable. It extends, and I'll show you that in just 1 second, and it has a locking feature. What's kind of cool about it is you can rotate your phone, portrait or landscape, there you go, however you want to orient it, and it has a 1/4-20 on the bottom that fits most tripods. So let me show you how it works. So for this particular demonstration, I'm going to use, this is an old iPhone 8. There is a red locking mechanism over here. If you loosen it, then you're able to and then you're able to expand the clasp, so to speak, to grab. And what I like about this is if you now turn this and tighten it up, it now locks this in place, so you don't have to worry about the phone coming out. And I have used it with this. This is my iPhone 8. I'm shooting with my iPhone 16 Pro, which I will tell you fits in there no problem with a Defender style case. I'll even show you that in just a second. Best of all, if you're shooting it in landscape mode, you do get the cold shoe on top, and there's one on the bottom. So if you're shooting it in portrait mode, which a lot of people seem to like, maybe for social media and things like that, you actually get 2 cold shoes. Now you see this thing is rotating. The other ring, the black ring, if you tighten that down, it actually now locks it for rotation, which is really nice. And because I typically shoot landscape, I can lock this down and I can put this on top of a tripod. So here is that iPhone 8 kind of dressed up, so to speak, with that same Rode, I think this is the Video Mic Go, with the Ulanzi ST-27 and a mini tripod. Like I said, any tripod will work. This is a nice portable option. Because this is an older iPhone, the mic plugs right into the microphone port. So now I'm going to show you a newer iPhone. So what we have here now is an iPhone 16 Pro mounted on the Ulanzi ST-27 and a mini tripod. But instead of that Rode video mic, I'm going to use a shorter style shotgun mic. I like that because it doesn't get into the field of view of the phone itself. And instead of the standard microphone cable, because this is a newer iPhone, I have a microphone to USB-C, which has been fantastic. I'll put a link to that down in the description as well. That allows you to use your phone with pretty much any style microphone, and it is a really good setup. It is a nice portable setup, and yeah, I really like it. So there you go. I hope that helps. I will leave a link down in the description where you can pick up your own Ulanzi. I've used it for a couple of videos now, and I really like it. It's small, it's portable. I could throw it right into my camera case, not a big deal. And it's metal, so it should prove to be durable. And based on the experience I had with the other Ulanzi product for my GoPro, it should last quite a while. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you out there. Have a great day. I'll see you.